Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English the Natural Way. I'm Alex.
Hi, friends. I'm Linda. We're so excited to have you with us today. No matter where you are right now, at home, at work, or relaxing, thank you for choosing to learn English with us.
Today, we're going to talk about a small but very important word in English, been.
This three-letter word confuses many learners, but it's used constantly in daily English.
If you're a beginner, don't worry at all. We're going to explain everything step by step in the simplest way possible.
By the end of this episode, you'll understand exactly what been means, when to use it, how to use it, and what mistakes to avoid.
Before we start, if you enjoy learning English in a simple and natural way, please like this episode, share it with your friends, and subscribe to English the Natural Way.
And we want to give a special shout out to @Sithara for this videos and learning with us.
Thank you so much @Sithara Pariyatham. We're so happy to have you in our English the Natural Way learning community. All right, let's get started. So first, let's understand what been is in the simplest way possible.
Great. Let's start from the very beginning. Been is the past participle of the verb be.
Wait, what does that mean? Let's break it down. The verb be has different forms: am, is, are, was, were, been, being.
Been is one special form, the past participle form.
We use been with helping verbs like have, has, and had.
For example, I have been to Paris.
She has been sick.
They had been waiting for hours.
Can you see? Been never stands alone. It always needs a helping verb.
That's the key thing to remember. Now let's talk about the meaning of been.
Yes, been has several meanings depending on how we use it.
Meaning 1, been can mean visited or gone to and returned.
I have been to Japan.
This means you visited Japan in the past and you came back. You're not there now.
She has been to that restaurant before.
She visited it and returned. She has the experience.
Meaning 2, been describes a state or condition that existed.
I have been tired all week.
The state of being tired has existed for the whole week.
He has been happy since the news.
The state of happiness has continued since that time.
Meaning 3, been shows duration, how long something has continued.
I have been a teacher for 10 years.
The state of being a teacher has lasted for 10 years.
Can you see? Been connects the past to the present.
Now let's talk about where and how we use been.
Yes, there are specific structures where been is used.
Use 1, present perfect with have, has, been.
Structure: subject plus have, has plus been plus place, adjective, verb, ing.
I have been to New York.
She has been busy.
We have been working all day.
They have been friends for years.
All using have been and has been.
Use 2, past perfect with had been.
Structure: subject plus had plus been plus place, adjective, verb, ing.
I had been to that place before.
She had been sick for a week when she finally went to the doctor.
We had been waiting for an hour when the bus arrived.
They had been living there for 5 years before they moved.
All using had been.
Use 3, passive voice with have, has, had, been.
Structure: subject plus have, has, had plus past participle.
The work has been completed.
The building had been constructed in 1920.
The letter has been sent.
The car had been repaired before we bought it.
All passive voice. Now let's talk about been for places and experiences.
Yes, this is a very common use of been.
When we talk about places we visited, we use have been to.
I have been to France.
This means you visited France at some point in your life and came back. You're not there now.
She has been to the Eiffel Tower.
We have been to that museum.
They have been to 5 different countries.
Notice we say been to for places.
Let's practice. Have you been to Italy?
I've never been to Australia.
She's been to London 3 times.
We've been to that restaurant before.
All talking about travel experiences.
Now let's talk about been for states and conditions.
Yes, we use been to describe how someone has been feeling or their state.
I have been tired lately.
She has been happy since she got the job.
We have been busy with the project.
They have been sick this week.
He has been upset about the news.
All describing states or conditions. Let's practice. How have you been?
This is a very common greeting. It means, how has your life been recently?
I've been good, thanks.
I've been well.
Common responses.
Now let's talk about been for duration, showing how long.
Yes, we use been with for and since to show duration.
For shows a period of time. Since shows a starting point.
I have been a teacher for 10 years.
10 years is the period of time.
I have been a teacher since 2014.
2014 is when it started. She has been here for 2 hours.
She has been here since 3 p.m.
We have been friends for ages.
We have been friends since childhood.
Can you see the difference between for and since?
Let's practice. I've been studying English for 3 years.
I've been studying English since 2022.
They've been married for 20 years.
They've been married since 2005.
Perfect. Now let's talk about have/has been versus have/has gone.
This is super important. Many learners get confused about this.
Have been means you went somewhere and came back.
I have been to Paris. You visited and returned.
Has gone means you went somewhere and you're still there. You haven't returned.
She has gone to Paris. She's in Paris right now.
Let's compare. I have been to the store.
I went and came back.
I have gone to the store.
I'm at the store right now.
He has been to Japan.
He visited and returned.
He has gone to Japan.
He's in Japan now.
This is a very important distinction.
Been means went and came back. Gone means went and still there.
Now let's talk about been in present perfect continuous.
Yes, this structure is have, has, plus been, plus verb ing.
This shows an action that started in the past and is still continuing or just finished.
I have been working all day.
You started working in the past and you're still working or just finished.
She has been studying for hours.
We have been waiting since 2 p.m.
They have been living here for 5 years.
All showing continuous actions from past to present.
Let's practice. I've been learning English for 2 years.
She's been working at that company since 2020.
We've been playing tennis for an hour.
It's been raining all morning.
All using been plus verb ing.
Now let's talk about been in passive voice.
Yes, this is another important use of been.
In passive voice, we use have, has, had, plus been, plus past participle.
The work has been completed.
The house has been sold.
The report has been submitted.
The car had been repaired before we bought it.
The letter has been sent.
All passive constructions.
This emphasizes the action, not who did it.
Now let's talk about common mistakes with been.
Yes, learning about mistakes helps you avoid them.
Mistake 1. Using been without a helping verb.
Wrong, I been to Paris.
Correct. I have been to Paris. You need have.
Wrong, she been working all day.
Correct. She has been working all day.
Always use have, has, or had before been.
Mistake 2. Confusing been and gone.
Wrong, she has been to the store, if she's still at the store.
Correct. She has gone to the store. She's still there.
Wrong, I have gone to Paris, if you're telling about a past trip and you're back now.
Correct. I have been to Paris. You went and returned.
Remember the difference.
Mistake 3. Confusing been and being.
Been is past participle. Being is present participle.
Wrong. I have being sick.
Correct. I have been sick. Use been with have.
Wrong. She was being tired.
Correct. She was being tired. Or better, she was tired.
Been goes with have, has, had, not with was or were.
Mistake 4. Forgetting to after been for places.
Wrong. I have been Italy.
Correct. I have been to Italy. Don't forget to.
Wrong. She has been the museum.
Correct. She has been to the museum. Been to for places.
Now let's practice with the real conversation.
Great. Let's imagine two friends catching up.
Hey, I haven't seen you in ages. How have you been?
I've been great, thanks. I've been really busy with work, though. What about you?
I've been good too. Actually, I've been traveling a lot lately.
Really? Where have you been?
Well, I've been to Spain and Italy this year. It's been amazing.
Wow. I've never been to Europe. I've always wanted to go.
You should. It's been on my bucket list for years, and I finally did it.
That's awesome. How long have you been interested in traveling?
I've been passionate about travel since I was a teenager. I've been to about 15 countries so far.
That's impressive. I've only been to 3 countries. I've been too focused on my career.
Well, you've been working hard. How long have you been at your current job?
I've been there for 5 years now. It's been challenging, but rewarding.
That's great. Have you been getting enough rest? You look tired.
Honestly, I've been exhausted lately. I've been working 60-hour weeks.
That's too much. You've been pushing yourself too hard. Have you been taking any breaks?
Not really. I've been so focused on this big project, but it's been completed now, so I can relax.
Good. You've been needing a vacation. Where have you been thinking about going?
I've been considering Japan. Have you been there?
Yes, I've been to Tokyo twice. It's been one of my favorite destinations.
Perfect. I'll ask you for recommendations. This has been such a nice chat.
Agreed. We've been talking for an hour already. Let's do this again soon.
Did you hear all the uses of been?
Yes, have been for states, have been to for places, have been verb ing for continuous actions, and more.
The conversation sounded completely natural.
That's because been is used constantly in everyday English.
Let's talk about been in questions.
Yes, questions with been are very common.
Have you been to Paris?
Has she been waiting long?
How long have you been studying English?
Where have you been?
What have you been doing?
Who has been using my computer?
All natural questions.
And we answer using been to.
Have you been to Paris? Yes, I have been there twice.
How long have you been studying? I've been studying for 3 years.
What have you been doing? I've been working on a project.
Natural questions and answers.
Let's create a story using been.
Perfect. This will show you how it works in context.
Sarah has been feeling stressed lately. She has been working long hours at her job.
She has been a nurse for 10 years, but this year has been particularly difficult.
The hospital has been short-staffed, and Sarah has been covering extra shifts.
She has been thinking about taking a vacation. She hasn't been on a real vacation in 2 years.
Sarah has always wanted to visit Greece. She has been saving money for this trip for months.
Finally, she booked her tickets. She has been excited ever since.
Sarah has been to many places before. She's been to Mexico, Canada, and Japan.
But she has never been to Europe. This has been her dream for years.
Her friends have been very supportive. They've been helping her plan the trip.
The trip has been planned down to every detail. Everything has been arranged perfectly.
Sarah's passport has been renewed. Her hotel has been booked, and her bags have been packed.
She has been counting down the days. It's been the only thing on her mind.
Tomorrow she'll finally go. This has been the best year despite the challenges.
That story used been in so many ways.
For states, experiences, duration, passive voice, and continuous actions.
This is exactly how been is used in natural English.
Let's give you confidence-building tips.
Yes, here's how to master been step by step.
Step 1. Practice talking about places you visited.
I have been to. Make a list of places.
Step 2. Practice describing how you've been feeling.
I have been happy, tired, busy, excited.
Step 3. Practice with for and since.
I have been here for, I have been here since.
Step 4. Practice present perfect continuous.
I have been studying, working, learning.
Step 5. Ask people, how have you been?
It's a natural greeting.
Practice daily, build confidence. Now it's your turn to practice.
Don't be afraid, you can do this.
Write 5 sentences using been in different ways.
Talk about places you've been, how you've been feeling, or what you've been doing.
Share them in the comments. We'd love to see them.
Remember, mistakes help you learn.
Every sentence you write makes you better.
We believe in you. You're doing amazing.
Let's do a final review.
Been is the past participle of be.
Always use been with have, has, or had.
Have or has been to equals visited and returned.
Have or has gone to equals went and still there.
Have or has been plus adjective equals describing a state.
Have or has been plus verb ing equals present perfect continuous.
Have or has been plus past participle equals passive voice.
Use for duration, since for starting point.
Been connects the past to the present.
It's used constantly in daily English.
If you enjoyed this episode, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English the Natural Way.
We create new episodes every week to help you learn real, everyday English.
Leave a comment with your practice sentences using been.
We love hearing from you.
Mastering been will make your English sound much more natural.
It's a small word with big importance.
Thanks so much for listening today.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep believing in yourself.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.